I turned a 2K car flip into a house deal. I'm going to show you a simple path to level up from flipping cars to selling homes, step by step. Step 1. Build seed cash fast. Start with what you know. Thrift finds, Facebook Marketplace flips, small repairs. Aim for fast turns, not big wins. Double your money a few times. Step 2. Graduate to cars under $3,000. Buy ugly but reliable. Bring an OBD2 scanner. Check Carfax, inspect cold starts, inspect leaks, inspect tires, inspect transmissions, budget for quick wins. Detail, headlight restore, minor trim, fresh photos, sell clean, honest, and fast. Step 3. Systematize. Track every flip, buy price, parts. Time profit. Reinvest profits into the next 2 cars at once. Build a repeatable checklist for inspection, cleaning photos, listing copy. Step 4. Learn the paperwork. Titles, bills of sale. Temp tags, your local rules for how many cars you can sell without a dealer license. If you're hitting limits, partner with a licensed dealer or pause and pivot. Step 5. Bridge to real estate without a mortgage. Learn wholesaling. Find distressed properties. Run comps. Estimate repairs. Get a signed assignable contract. Assign it to a cash buyer for a fee. Build a buyer's list at meetups and online. Step 6. Use your flip skills in houses. Marketing negotiation. Fast evals. Same game, bigger numbers. Get a basic rehab checklist. Roof, HVAC, plumbing. Electrical foundation. Kitchens, baths, ARV, minus repairs equals your max offer. Step 7. Stack licenses and leverage. Consider a real estate license for MLS access and commissions. Consider hard money and private lenders, only with solid deals and exit plans. Step 8. Level up to selling homes. List for investors you meet. Host open houses, capture leads. Reinvest into marketing. Repeat, refine, and scale. Start small, move fast, stay honest. Your first flip funds your next frontier. Go.